How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And is NordVPN any good? Now, it depends, of course, on what you're looking for. If you're looking for a well-rounded VPN that does a really good job across the board, no matter what you're trying to do, in all departments, whether it's privacy, speed streaming, and torrenting, as well as security features, NordVPN has the whole package, okay? So, of course, first of all, you want to look into the privacy policy. Now, NordVPN does not collect any information that identifies you personally. They collect the usual, your email address, your password, some country details, as well as payment details. Nothing really out of the ordinary, just diagnostics information to help them improve their service. And of course, they have independent audit reports. This is one of them, one of the latest ones, but they have plenty of independent audit reports that prove that they do uphold their no logs policy. So in the privacy department, NordVPN is doing very well. With regards to speed, NordVPN has the NordLynx protocol, which makes NordVPN arguably the fastest VPN in the industry. And you can look at plenty of speed tests on the internet. It's, NordVPN is almost always at the top, or at least in the top 3. Okay, with regards to streaming and torrenting, well, let's just get the torrenting out of the way. You have peer-to-peer specialty servers, so I think it's self-explanatory at this point. They fully support torrenting without any bandwidth limitations. And with regards to streaming here, as you can tell, I'm connected to the US servers and I have access to Amazon Prime and Hulu. No problems whatsoever. So overall, NordVPN is actually a pretty good deal. And if you're looking for a better deal than this 51% right here, which is 61%, you'll be able to save just under $20 for the 2-year plan and get a free month. Be sure to check the link in the description down below. And if you're looking for a full review, you'll also find that in the description. All right. And keep in mind that all their plans are covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee. And you have 24/7 live chat support if you need any help. With the refund, they'll refund you usually within 3 to 4 business days. So that's pretty much it for this video. Comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.